Bok choy. We are harvesting bok choy.
Matalim yan ah. Baka ma...
Kasi sabi niya, good morning my idol. We harvesting bok choy here. What is this? What do you call this? Hydroponics bok choy. Good morning. Sariwang-sariwa, my idol. Lalagay namin ito sa sardinas daw. Sa karne.
You pull out yung pag ano, yung syrup.
Oh, you have to do this?
Oo.
I'm gonna go around though. Oh, like that. I was gonna turn around to the other side.